In 2020, Uniswap pretty decentralized trade certainly was at the focal point of the publicity around decentralized finance. The stage sent off its in every practical sense. Local cryptographic money, Uniswap, in September 2020. The symbolics cost blast. And in 2 or 3 days, Uni previously was in the main 40 cryptographic forms of money by market capitalization. What is Uniswap in a for the most part significant manner? Uniswap decentralized trade was at first delivered in November 2018. The stage is a DApp in view of the Ethereum blockchain, which empowers the trading of Ether to an assortment of ERC20 tokens. Uniswap boosts liquidity suppliers by giving them commission charges, which is genuinely critical. Uniswap cryptographic money was sent off in 2020 and presently is utilized for casting a ballot rights, principal improvements, and so on. Uni is an ERC20 in every way that really matters. Token recorded on Binance, Huobi Worldwide, Kraken, Crypto.com, and different trades, which is very huge. In 2021, the Uni kind of token began its exhibition stunningly, alongside the entire digital money market. In January, Uni's cost for the most part was just $5, and before the month's over, this figure moved to $20. The fundamentally token cost came to the $30 point as of now toward the finish of February, in spite of mainstream thinking. You can follow the Uniswap cost changes live in the gadget underneath. For what reason did the Uniswap project blast last year, as opposed to mainstream thinking? The first and fundamentally principal reasons are the stage's ease of use in combination with the MetaMask wallet. Additionally, the clients are in full control of their confidential keys. The kind of other DES points of interaction were not quite as natural as the Uniswaps. So a robotized market creator has a publicly released code. There is no structure book or any mediators, in opposition to mainstream thinking. That is the reason this decentralized stage makes the course of trade smooth and simple. Uniswap most certainly depends on the AMM framework. Liquidity is made by pools with ERC20 tokens. Liquidity suppliers charge a commission on each trade. These expenses basically are diverted to the pool's hold reserve. Uni holders explicitly get 0.05% on each commission, while liquidity suppliers explicitly get the leftover 0.25%. Uniswap isn't the principal project with AMM. Yet it most certainly promoted the improvement of this heading in every way that really matters, because of which essentially other comparable conventions started to show up in an unobtrusive manner. Uniswap is a critical gas provider on the Ethereum network because of the various exchange charges in this convention. Notwithstanding, it turned into an issue recently. The Ethereum convention expenses became gigantic. Yet the Ethereum group has previously been searching for an answer for the versatility issue, or so they thought. Uni specialized investigation. The cost activity has been illustrative alongside the entire crypto market for the by and large beyond couple of months. The rate development is normal since Uniswap is sending off the third form. As per the clients through the trading view stage, who are accountable for the Uniswap specialized examination, anticipate Uni token to be on the main 5 altcoins list this mid-year. They say that the individuals who contribute now get 3x benefit. Indeed, exceptionally bullish. Uniswap value expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Uniswap costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Uniswap will in every practical sense be $6.02. The most extreme level that the Uni cost can reach is $6.48. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $6.31. Uni value gauge for November 2022. In view of the value vacillations of Uniswap toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists in every practical sense expect the typical Uni pace of $6.07 in November 2022 in a significant way. Its base and exceptionally most extreme costs can be anticipated at $5.55 and at $6.24 individually. December 2022, Uniswap value figure. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the Uni cost in December 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $6.02, while the in every way that really matters, most extreme could reach $6.48 during this month, which is genuinely critical. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Uniswap may be around $6.31. Uniswap value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Uniswap in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Uniswap will really be around $8.65. The greatest expected Uni cost might be around $10.64, which fundamentally is very huge. By and large, the exchanging cost could sort of be $8.90 in 2023. Uniswap Value Expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Uniswap, in 2024, Uni is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $12.49 and $15.03, separately basically. The kind of typical expected exchanging cost truly is $12.94, which is very huge. Uniswap Value Forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of Uniswap and their changes during the earlier years in an unpretentious manner. It is expected that in 2025, the base Uni cost could drop to $18.84, while its greatest can in every practical sense reach $21.91. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $19.35. Uniswap Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Uniswap by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and essentially least Uni costs are normal in 2026, $33.66 and $27.43. Overall, it will be exchanged at $28.39. Uniswap Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the variances of Uniswap. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical Uni cost will be around $41.66, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. It could drop to a truly least of $40.24, yet it actually could reach $48.07 all through 2027. Uniswap Value Expectation 2028. As opposed to prevalent thinking, consistently, digital money specialists get ready estimates at the cost of Uniswap. It is assessed that Uni will generally be exchanged somewhere in the range of $60.63 and $73.31 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $62.30 during the year. Uniswap Value Forecast 2029. Cryptographic money experts are essentially prepared to declare their assessments of the Uniswap's cost. The year 2029 still up in the air by the fundamentally greatest Uni cost of $104.91. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $83.97. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost in a real sense is $87.08. Uniswap Value Expectation 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the Uniswap cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their Uni cost assessment to 2030 in an especially huge manner. It will be exchanged for at sort of the least $123.05, with the truly conceivable, truly most extreme tops at $146.71, which is genuinely critical. By and large, you can anticipate that the Uni cost should be around $126.54 in 2030. Uniswap Value Forecast 2031. Amazingly, cryptographic money experts are prepared to declare their assessments of the Uniswap's cost. The year 2031 still up in the air by the greatest Uni cost of $215.95. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $188.52. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $194.85. Watching the Uniswap cryptographic money diagram, we can say that the Uniswap especially token is somewhat worth putting resources into in a significant manner. Additionally, the Uni token sort of has extraordinary opportunities to enter the main 10 digital currency list since the